Tom, why did we start with service repair orders when we were getting into the equity mining game? So, one of the things that was really shocking for me was when we started researching this direction. We found out from some of our dealer friends that more than 60% in some cases of the service repair orders they were closing were not vehicles that they sold. So the opportunity to conquest that service drive was crazy versus just going after old sold records like most other companies do.
Yeah, and I think also just the near term, right? With sold DMS, which is also really cool, and that's
Mhm.
going to drive a lot of leads also. But those people may not have interacted with the dealership for a year or two, maybe more, versus they were there yesterday. And I think that's when that text comes in or the email comes in, it's really relevant, and we definitely see a high reaction rate to it. But I think for me personally, Alex, having run one of these programs for the Motor Cars Group for many years, it was successful, but the salespeople literally had to complete 3 to 4 manual steps to actually make an offer to a customer. Or as we used to put the little sheet that we print out on their windshield, and they would see it with the business card, and it actually worked. That's probably the thing that's the most cool about it. It did work. The problem is you can't scale it. There's no way to get salespeople to do that correctly on a regular basis. They just it's against, honestly, it's against human nature. It's just not how we're wired. And so we realized that, once again, if we did something in automation and made it interactive for the customer, you probably have something really special, and that's exactly what's happening. Um, it's been a lot of fun to build this thing, and again, solve another big problem for dealers, or actually increase an opportunity, maybe depending on how you look at it. And yeah, it's been really fun to watch it take off.